Okay, in this video, we're going to go through some more of the options here. Let's go to options. Now, there's a lot of things in here you can set to your preference. You can just run just fine with them at the defaults, but there's a lot of things in here that you can set if you want. I'm not going to go through them all because there's just a lot of them. But if you decide that the defaults aren't working for you, you can go into these different options and set them the way you like. Okay, so here we can lock down the forum to make it read-only, admin pages, auto-update, new post topic cache, RSS feeds, the CSS/JS combined caching, post editing, so this is in plain text, and error logging, so you can disable it here. Okay, then we have general display settings. Okay, remove page title completely, graphic replacement, forum view formatting, topic view formatting, integration editor toolbar, unread posts, single forum sites, display forum stats. Okay, content settings. Okay, your display formats, image, smileys, spam posts, additional filtering, post links and filtering, short codes, and post content width. Okay, member settings. Okay, so member profiles. So the defaults disallow members not logged in to post as guests. Now, if you want to allow them, you can check this and it'll turn it off like that. Okay, so this is how you toggle things. Okay, member name linking, guest settings, inactive member accounts, post counts, blacklists. Okay, and then email settings. Okay, so this is the default email, so you can change that if you like. Okay, so those are some things and options. I didn't even really change anything there other than guest posting. And chances are that when you first install it, the defaults will work for you. You should try it out and then change it if you need to. Okay, here integration. So page and permalinks. Now, what we've turned our permalinks on in our blog already, and this is the name it's going to use, forum. So basically, this is our URL that we installed our blog on, and after that /forum. Okay, so you can change anything there that you need. Profiles. Okay, so display name format, personal photos. Okay, so these zeros mean that they're unlimited. Signature image size and so on. First forum visit. Display profile information. Profile entry forum mode and profile overview message. Okay, so you can change any of that if you like. Profile tabs and menus. Okay, so this is just the profile stuff that they see in there. And avatars. So how you want to handle avatars. Okay, and then here we have admins. So this shows our admin options here. So if we want to receive email notifications of new topics, post edits, bypass the simple press logout redirect. Grant all moderators the same option settings as above. Okay, so global admin options. Okay, so if you want to change any of these, this is where you do it. And manage admins. Okay, so this is where you can select members and make them into admins. Okay, then we have users here, member information. So this will show any members that are registered on your site. Okay, next we have plugins. Now, there won't be any available right now. We can upload plugins from the site itself. You can get plugins here. and you can bring them into here if you want to use plugins. Themes, now it comes with a couple of available themes. This is the one we're using, and here's another one that's available as well. So we can activate the theme. We can also bring themes in from the same spot over here. So we got member themes. We can go to the member themes library, look around in here, and see if we want to bring any of them in. Looks like you have to have a membership for that one. But there will be a place where you can get free themes as well. You may have to do a search on Google and what have you. Now, mobile phone themes. So you can enable mobile theme support, and then you can update mobile components. Okay, same with a mobile tablet theme. So you can enable the tablet support, update tablet component. Okay, and then you can pick which one you want to use here. Okay, and then you have the theme editor and theme uploader. So if you find a theme you want to use, you can upload it here. And in the toolbox, there's lots of different things in here. You really don't want to touch anything in here. You have housekeeping. So these are things you can do, rebuilding indexes and new post cleanups. User post count cleanup. Okay, so you can run this once in a while if you want. Just take a look through here. Data inspector. If you want to look at some variables, you can turn these on and it'll show them to you when you on the pages. Okay, and then now cron inspector. This is jobs that are run by WP cron, and you can add to that if you like. These are all the ones that are happening automatically. If you have errors, you can look at the error log. You can change the log and you can uninstall. Okay, so at this point, we have basic setup. Now let's just go down to our settings down here and go to general. Make sure we have registration turned on. So we'll allow anyone to register, save the changes. All right, now we're going to log out and do a test. Okay, so here we are at our main site here, and there's a link to the forum there. So we can go straight to the forum from navigation. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to register as a new user. So we'll say username. Email address. Okay, and some math there. Let's register. Okay, so it's emailed us our password now, so I'll wait for that to come. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, and then up here we have my forums, and let's say visit site. Okay, and then let's go to forum. Okay, so looks like there's a problem with the coding in the plugin. This is a brand new version of the forum software and a brand new version of WordPress. So there is an issue here, and I'll let support know about that, but that is something that'll be fixed. Anyway, down here, so we have an overview, and we can edit our profile. We can edit our identities. We can edit our avatar. Edit our signature. Remember, we had a control over all this in the admin area as to what they could do, okay, in our account settings. Okay, so now when we go back to the forum, we have general discussion, talk about anything, phishing, etc. Okay, and then here again we have the issue with some of the coding. It's the same error, so there's something in there that they need to fix. Okay, at any rate, let's go into general discussion. We want to talk about anything. Okay, and as you see, it's in the code's in the header that needs to be fixed there. So there are no topics here. So let's add a topic. And hi, I'm Tony. Just saying hi. Okay, so down here we do the math. And remember that the level of membership determines whether we have to put this in here. The membership with advanced permissions we don't have to put the math question in. So let's submit. And there it is. Okay, and then it's posted. We go in here. And there it is. Okay, so add topic, add reply. It works just like any other forum does. Okay, now at the bottom here, there's some statistics. So your time zone, most users ever online, number of groups, guest posters, members, moderators, admins, and the newest members, and the administrator. So they can click on here and look at the administrator profile through a pop-up. Okay, now the header problem has now gone away after we got our first post in there. So it'd be a good idea if you just go in and make a post by yourself, and then that error won't appear anymore. Okay, so there it is. You've now created a forum using WordPress and SimplePress.